Today is day 3 in Meghalaya, and today we are heading towards Shnongpdeng. So we'll be staying there 2 days, and right now we are at a hotel in between on the way to Shnongpdeng. So we have came about I guess 20 to 30 kilometers ahead and found a hotel. I don't know why the hotels here are mostly closed. Even right now it's 11:20 and we started at 10 around, but we didn't find any hotel in between. It's so strange, and there were many but mostly were closed. Maybe we don't know the correct spots for it, but whatever came on the way, everything was closed, so we don't know about that. We have ordered some food here, so you can see, have a look. I really like the presentation. You can see the food, and this is chicken thali which I've ordered for myself. Chicken rice, actually they have given with some lentils, I believe some dal, and I like the way they have given this salad and all. And this is vegetarian option. So yeah, let's dig in and find the taste. So I found out actually this is local here, so that's pretty exciting. I really love to try local food. So they have given many things here in this chicken rice. This is chicken, you can see rice, some salad, but what interesting is this chutney. This is made of onion and dry fish. So let's try this. And this is usual salad of band gobi, cabbage and aloo gobi. And yeah, they have given some local pickle as well of some local chili here. Yeah, so see how beautiful the presentation is. And we are just here in a very local place. You can see it's a village, kind of a village. See the settings. So yeah, but finding this kind of food is really great here. You can see the plant has arrived as well. Yeah, food looks great. Let's start. 370. Done. ठीक है? Thank you. Food was great. Thanks. The food was really great. It was very tasty. So you can come here. It's about 15 kilometers from Shillong, on the way to Shnongpdeng via Jowai. So this is on the way to Jowai. So the name is Pinky Dhaba. You can visit here. Everything was tasty. We tried 3 things: aloo parantha, aloo puri and chicken rice. Very tasty.
In the darkness I could feel her thinking about somebody else. Some old secret she keeps hidden high up on the shelf. It's all covered in dust, holding up some old book supposed to teach about heaven and hell. In the darkness I could feel her thinking about somebody else. I hear country music playing in the background. Some old sweet melody about the life we lead, the love that we never found. I said I love you, honey, now, yeah. Just keep doing what comes natural in the heat of the night. And if we're lucky, that country music make everything alright. As the night wears on, I can feel.
Hi. So good morning from Shnongpdeng, also called as Dawki, where there is a river, Dawki river, which flows through the valley, and it's very crystal clear. You must have seen in the videos and in the vlogs. So you can even see the river bed. The water is very clean. So let's see how it goes. So we are here in Dawki for 2 days. We could not make any video yesterday because we reached here at 4:30 p.m. There was traffic in between for around 1.5 hours. There were some trucks which got failed, so it created a massive traffic jam. So we reached here at 4:30. It was all dark, as Meghalaya gets dark very early, around 4:30 or 4:45, and by 5 it's completely dark. It's completely like everything goes off here. So we reached late, so we could not make any video, and yeah, we just spent our time here in the resort or hotel, you can say. Here we are at Betelnut resort. It's fine. The view is great. You can see this is a balcony I'm standing in, and this is the view. I can hear the Dawki river flowing. I can hear the sound of it, even visible little bit, not too much from here, but and you can see how lush green it is. These betelnut trees here look so beautiful in the valley, so pretty. So today we are at this hotel, and we will check out here by 11 or 12, and we will be checking in another hotel which is just 200 meters from here, Timpang Chalet. So that's a homestay actually. This is a resort, it's a homestay. And we are planning to go for boating in Dawki river tomorrow. Today we are thinking to explore Mawlynnong village, because you can see how serene the environment is. We would like to stay here for, far away from hustle bustle of our city. So that's why we chose this resort to relax our time. So for boating we will go tomorrow early, and from there we will head towards Shillong or Cherrapunji. We have not yet decided actually. We will decide by today. But yeah, for 2 days we are here. So today we will go Mawlynnong village. We will make some videos for you all, and tomorrow we will do boating in Dawki river. Very excited how it goes. Now we have checked into this homestay, Timpang Chalet, and this is amazing property. This is just 200 meters from where we were staying before, and a lot of parking space as well here. So we have parked our vehicle here, and this is the stay. So you get this whole house for you. Let me show you around.
In the darkness, I could feel her thinking about somebody else. Some old secret she keeps hidden high up on the shelf. It's all covered in dust, holding up some old book supposed to teach about heaven and hell. In the darkness, I could feel her thinking about somebody else. I hear country music playing in the background. Some old sweet melody about the life we lead, the love that we never found. I said I love you, honey, now, yeah. Just keep doing what comes natural in the heat of the night. And if we're lucky, that country music.
So this is the bonfire place. We will enjoy the bonfire in the evening here. The dogs here, very friendly. It's a cute little space to sit, have tea, coffee, or little snacks. fences in the left side. So this is the border. So we are in India and this is Bangladesh on the other side of the fence. So right now we are traveling to Mawlynnong from Shnongpdeng. So this area lies near the border of India and Bangladesh. So you can see many BSF employees as well deployed here. On the route to Mawlynnong, such a beautiful road this is. Overall the road is fine. Some parts are very good, but some parts the road is not that good. But the view is just amazing. It's very beautiful. When you are traveling to Mawlynnong from Shnongpdeng, the views is something which will not disappoint you. Some parts are bad here, but overall the road is good. You will have a good time driving here. So we are about 25 minutes behind from Mawlynnong. We will reach there in 20 to 25 minutes. We have entered Mawlynnong village and we have to pay here 100 rupees for the entry. That's the entry ticket. So let's see how this village is. Is it worth or just overhyped? Let's find it out. So walking on this bamboo bridge, it's named as Sky Bridge here. Sky Viewpoint, I think, yes, Sky Viewpoint. This is made all of bamboo, you can see. It's quite interesting taking a walk on this. So it goes like this all the way from here to there, you can see. That's the top. It's simple to walk here, not difficult. Pretty cool actually. Shaking at some points, not everywhere. Yeah, we have reached the top. That's it. Very small. We'll climb in 30 seconds, maybe 20-30 seconds. Yeah, but it's 30 rupees only a ticket price. So you can try it. Here you get a good view from the top. Let's see how the view is.
Kerala native place.
So that's the view you get from here. Sky viewpoint in Mawlynnong. It's okay. You can try this. So it is shaking now. Maybe when there are 5-6 people on this platform, it shakes a little bit. So actually, yeah, the village is beautiful. It doesn't look like to be a village in India. Actually, there's a church here. So everyone has decorated their homes so nicely with lot of flowers and greenery. You can see here, and there's no trash anywhere. You can see the streets. It's look like some village of Europe or something. Does it look like to you it's in India? No. It's not just about cleanliness. People have decorated their home well. Apart from the cleanliness, of course, there is clean. You will find this at every 50 meters or 40 meters, and this is all sustainable. You can see, made of out of bamboo.